Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming eligibility. You must be covered by a high-deductible health plan and not enrolled in Medicare. Once confirmed, pick a custodian that matches your needs. Low fees, mobile app, and investment choices matter. Open the HSA now and link your checking account so transfers are seamless. Next, set payroll or manual contributions to hit the annual limit. This immediately starts your tax-advantaged savings and prevents last-minute funding stress before year-end. Once your HSA is open, fund it consistently. Set payroll deductions first for automatic pre-tax contributions and supplement with transfers if needed. Make a conscious decision about liquidity versus growth. Keep an emergency cash buffer and invest surplus in inexpensive funds to grow tax-free. Simultaneously, track every qualified medical expense by saving receipts and recording dates and amounts. This lets you reimburse yourself later and substantiates deductions. Make sure to reconcile your custodian statements each quarter so nothing slips through the cracks. To finish the workflow, use the HSA for qualified medical costs. Either pay at point of service with the HSA card or reimburse yourself later, keeping receipts for substantiation. When tax season arrives, report contributions and distributions correctly so you capture deductions and avoid penalties. Your custodian provides IRS forms to summarize activity. If you hit contribution limits, stop contributions immediately and correct excess amounts. Troubleshooting tip: if you can't find a receipt, contact the provider for an itemized statement before disputing with the custodian.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.